Nawong nawong. Oh.
Yeah.
Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, andito kami sa Plaza!
Tanaw.
Apo!
Tingnan nyo guys. Diyan na. Tingnan nyo guys ang plaza.
Tingnan nyo guys ang plaza.
Look at all the stars out, no doubt I'm loving this time of year.
Kasi na tumbling.
Someone's got a guitar out, whoa now, this is getting kinda weird. It's like a scene from a picture frame, but I swear it would be the same if you were here.
Mabali gani ka. Nag-iubo na ka. Tama na. Sige ka karon.
Sorry guys! I'm already exploring!
Hoy, mabali ka.
Ay! Ano video na yun? Sorry guys! Explorean natin ang
Plaza. Ina, may nagawa dito ng ano, kalilangan. Sabihin mo, kalilangan ngayong February 27. Tapos meron sila ditong tribal, nagawa sila ng tribal house. Sige na.
Hi guys!
Sige na.
So guys!
Dito na. Tingin dito.
So guys!
Kalilangan.
Kailangan ngayong 20. Ha?
Kalilangan ngayon 27. Kailangan ngayon 27. Kalingan. Kalilangan.
Kailangan ngayong 27, 2024. So, dito nagawa sila ng mga kubo-kubo, mga kubo-kubo, at isang-isang sila para
Tribal house.
ang mga tribal.
Nag-start pa lang sila magawa ng tribal house. Mga tribe ba? Mga tribe.
Nag-start lang sila.
Tribe house.
Ah! Nay! Dali, guys! Let's explore the wild! Hey guys! Let's explore the wild!
Punta dito.
Wow! Explore!
Uy! Uy, hindi maganyan. Baka mabalik ka. Gaubo ka pa naman.
The wild is so dangerous!
Ha?
Wow! Roar!
Ano ka pala, monkey or tiger? Kunyari, ikaw ay isang hayop. Ano ka? Hindi man yan. Ano? Monkey. Sige daw, akyat ka daw sa punong kahoy. Ayun ayun ang bahay ko. Ginawa nilang bahay ko. Kagaya man ito sa Davao, yung gipuntahan good natin yung araw ng Davao. Maganyan sila mag-tribe mga tribe house. Doon tayo, dali.
So guys!
Uy. Baan. Bili ka ice cream. Ano gani ang action ng ice cream? Paano? Garaa, uy.
Ganito ka vlog ganin eh. The wild!
Kainit.
Let's explore the wild!
Di ata ni Nana, uy. Uy! Hugaw na nakayo mo ang ano ba, pantalon. Yawan ako ang naglaba.
So guys, katulad nila sa roundabout.
Ang saan sa?
roundabout.
Okay, roundabout. Ay, parang hindi pwede papuntahan, papasukan.
My dad joined my
Look at all the stars
for the world. That's
Sige na, agi na dira, oh.
Someone's got a guitar out. Whoa, now this is getting kind of weird.
Takot ako masugatan.
It's like a
Saan?
scene from a picture frame. Girl, I swear
Tumbling daw, tumbling.
same if you were
Ala. Tama na. Oh, sige na, yun o, kamay, oh. Nag-aanuhan, oh, nag-heart ang kamay.
Skirt, takot ako masugatan.
But it was just you and me laughing. Honey, just like it ought to be. A moment I know I won't forget. Yeah,
Guys,
baby, I'm
wala mga
back
ibang
in
guys.
that kiss. On a night
Dali, i-picturean ta ka, dali, eh. Dira ka.
Nakanapong ko lang ibang guys.
Dali na.
I remember that lean
Gina-picturean ta ka, dali.
nearly took my breath.
Wait kayo.
Darling, they were so perfect. Your lips made me really
Ay, ano pala yan dito? Yung pond, fish pond.
there with you.
Siguro magbuhi sila dari karpa. Ayan, oh, fish pond. Ayun, oh, dali, eh. Na doon ka, punta ka muna doon. Nakapicturean kita dyan. Dyan, picturean kita dito, oh. Dito, oh. Sa kahoy, ang ganda dyan, oh. Dali na, pose. Ano yan? Hindi yan CR. Ayun na, Jensen. Gidoon ka sa Jensen. Ginapunta na doon, picturean kita. Hashtag Jensen. Hindi na mag-tumbling ba? Garo, oh.
Across your mind on a night like this. 'Cause I think about it all the time. On a night like this. Somewhere around a Saturday, moonshine, good times, hanging off a tailgate. All our friends, but it was just you and me laughing. Honey, just the way it ought to be. A moment I know I won't forget. Yeah. 'Cause baby, I'm right back in that kiss on a night